Let them know. What's up?
So we're here. G's on the lift. I'm about to be rebuilding these with some big lips, and it's not gonna fit in the wheel well with these tabs sticking out. So we're gonna hammer that in, and then up front up here, there's this bar that's here. So I'm gonna just cut this off completely on both sides. And if you come up and look at the brake caliper, I'm on a 1-inch spacer right now, and these are low disc bases. I'm curious without the spacer if this is gonna touch the caliper, because right now it's looking pretty close without the spacer.
We're gonna see.
Did they hit that? Oh! That is so close to that little tab on the brake pad. That could not get any closer without touching it.
I got a perfect view of it for a second there. Well, that's good that it fits without it.
Alright, so I pulled off the passenger side front wheel, and I noticed that the washer fluid line has been rubbed through like halfway because it's just drooping a little bit. So I'm gonna I see zip tied up already from factories, or I guess that's from factory. Some, all these are zip tied up. So I'm gonna just throw another one here, have it out of the way. So I'm just trying to clearance everything now before I put the wheels on. I'm gonna be beating this back, probably just up to here, and doing that on both sides. This bracket, I'm probably gonna take off on this side because it's not even holding anything anymore without the fender liner. So the bracket you just pulled off on the other side, I need to pull off on that side. So this is no longer here.
Right here.
It's all just open space. I just inverted for the other side, fender liner, which I no longer have. Big wheel gang. So I don't know if you watched our exhaust video for this car with this epoxy, but we painted this blue, and now I guess with the heat it has turned white, which is kind of crazy, and it's kind of flaking off.
Yeah, like it was,
oh no, that's just the sticker from,
this is shit paint.
yeah, shit pipe, shit paint, but like it turned white. It doesn't have an exhaust leak sign, so no. We've got the one side folded down well. It's pretty flat. This, I might bend that back too, so it's more flat with this, because this kind of sticks out past that. The other side is flat, I'm pretty sure. That's more tucked in. Jesus Christ. We still need to beat this side in. I started it down here, but I'm just working my way up with the hammer. And it's going pretty well. Not taking too long. But that should be the rest of the clearancing I need to do. Alright, so I got the other side done, and it's folded over. It doesn't look as folded over as the other side, but it doesn't stick out any further than this right here, so I'm not worried about it. What are we about to do next?
To roll the fenders, pull the fenders.
Yeah, I'm about to see how far I can pull these stock metal fenders.
Stop fucking doing this. Yep. Yep. Measuring.
This guy's, what are you doing over there?
I'm measuring for my tables that I'm gonna make.
Making his own custom VIP tables, because real ones are too expensive. So just make your own, because it's cooler when you do that.
It's be fucking awesome. It's gonna be so much fun. And then you can make it whatever you want.
Yeah, get the craftsmanship and do it yourself, and it turns out better, and you have more fun. That's the whole process of everything.
I'm kind of feeling the white.
The white?
White tables.
Would it clash with the black center console though?
Well, I'm probably gonna end up getting black seats
Black
and
seats,
black carpets.
but not black tables?
No, I don't know. Don't know yet. We're gonna find out.
Yeah, let's roll. fender on the door, right
Yeah.
down there.
Damn. Okay. Well.
No, it's fine. It was chipped before. That was there before. I'm gonna fucking do it anyways. Look at how much wider your hole. That's pretty good. That's what I wanted.
That thing is a pancake down the top.
It is folded straight back. I'm gonna get fiberglass fenders at some point.
So I'm up here now, holding the wheel because it won't lock.
That's good. Yeah. I can literally see the change of the fender.
What are you doing over there, Gentry?
Cutting.
Nothing?
Cutting.
Oh, cutting. Whoa!
Alright, so I realized I didn't film anything to end the video. So we've clearanced everything and pulled the front fenders as much as possible because I know I'm gonna need as much clearance as possible once I put the new wheels on. Well, not new wheels, but once I rebuild them. I will be rebuilding them soon. I'm just waiting on VR wheels for the lips, and then it's full attack on that once I hear those ship. So I'm literally just waiting on VR wheels, and then the SSRs are gonna be pretty wide. Since I'm here at home, I guess I could actually just show you everything that I have for the wheels so far. And here I have the paint for when I rebuild them. I'm just painting the faces WV2 the same color as the car to match them. And I have the hardware, the nuts, new stems, some bolts, 100 nuts, 100 bolts, 4 valve stems.